Welcome to the Sage Doctor tutorial on how to create a new company file in Sage 50. Hi, I'm Alina. I will walk you through this training. Use the New Company wizard to create a new company. You will see sections like company name and address, business type, accounting method, cash or accrual, accounting periods, fiscal year. To start the New Company wizard, select File, and then Select New Company from the menu bar. The New Company wizard shows different company information sections. For each screen in the New Company wizard, you answer questions about the company profile. After you have entered all the details for the company, click Next on this screen. You can always ask for help to understand the type of information input required. In the Setup screen, you enter the type of business and also make use of any sample business that exists in Sage 50. Select any of the applicable sections. The Business Type screen appears. Select the type of business that suits your own business from samples. Accounting Method screen talks about two different types of methods. Select your suitable methods. This setting can never be changed once executed. The Posting method helps you select between real-time posting or batch posting. In the Accounting period, you can select the accounting period structure that you intend to use for your company. The Fiscal Year screen helps you enter the month and year for which accounting is to be done. This is how you create a company profile in Sage 50 for accounting. Hope you liked the video. For more informational videos and tutorials like this, you can subscribe to our channel.